Okay, let's try another proof. This one also has two premises to start off with. First, if C, then B and A. Next, not B or not A. And then finally, the conclusion I'm supposed to have here is not C and D. Okay, well, now let's look. Looking at the premises, I'm going to see if I can spot C anywhere and if I can spot D anywhere. I do have a C. It's in the first premise. It's in the antecedent of that condition. So that's going to be helpful. But I don't see any D. That automatically tells me I'm going to have to introduce it. I'm going to have to use addition. All right. So I'm first going to start thinking about how I can get to C. Now I'm looking over here and I'm noticing that this is a negative. So that suggests to me that maybe I want to get to not C, which means I would need to first prove that not B and A, so I could use modus tollens. And I notice on line 2, I see a not B or not A. Well, De Morgan's will turn that into just what I want. So let's first rewrite line 2 as not B and A. That's going to be simply line 2 De Morgan's. Now that I know that, I know not C by lines 1 and 4, no, not 4, sorry, lines 1 and 3 modus tollens. All right, now that I know not C, I need to introduce D in some way, right? I'm already thinking, of course, that since I'm going to end up with not C and D, and I'm going to use addition to add a D in here in some way, and addition, of course, is just going to put a disjunction here. It's going to say or. I'm starting to think about what I need this to look like, what I need to introduce, so that when I pull that negation out there, using De Morgan's, I'm left with a D inside. So what I'm thinking then is I need to say by addition here, or, sorry, not C, or not D. If I introduce here using addition not D, when I pull that negation out using De Morgan's, I'll be left with a C and D inside. So that's going to be from line 4 by addition. And then that's going to give me my conclusion here, line 6. I'm going to have not C and D, the conclusion I'm looking for, and that's going to be from line 5 by De Morgan's.